MeghalayaPost.news.
Step down. I cannot. You think about it.
We demand justice. We deserve better. We deserve better. We deserve better. We deserve better. We deserve better.
Samla Pule ke North Eastern Hills University Nehu Shillong mentak singi kelapan benau ban pelong sendan daga jing Shah Thngan baklem pot bat ban Khang kerdep sendan Iaka Skulbah Nehu naduk kan riu tarik nai weng arjar arpsau ya kene garai lapan bena nakan Nehu Student Union Nehu Su lingbau General Secretary Utoniho Kharsati kepada hadir bawa lapan syai halal kejingnya kendu Vice Chancellor kan Nehu Professor PS Chukla mentak sing baar jong katayo haba penbena ya ketika rai Samla Toniho Kharsati ulong walau Vice Chancellor la kongo banyak kendu Samla Pule Henry umsyam nala banyak keren halor kimat jingdawa ki Samla Pule balabo akmat jungu nadu senam arjar arpuar Vice Chancellor di briu balik menti bha bat umsyam don setia katagaman banrai halor tegi mat jingdawa keba ki Samla Pule kila IT no nakapor limbaga dorkhas namar kata nadu kan riturik naiweng arjar arpsau kum ki Samla Pule kila rai ban Shah Thngan baklem debu por batru ban Khang kerdep sendan ya jing trikam ke Nehu ya kenila pen pau du Samla Kharsati ulang ru banadukan riturik an pelong ya kejing Khang kerdep ya kejing trikam hanihu bakerpat ru ya ke sarkar bakan tuklar mador ya kene kakam baru banjit no the way Vice Chancellor kate ke Skulbah Nehu
the infrastructure, the leakage, the seepage system that is happening since 2022, sir. So since 2022, and the same issues is also being highlighted in our memorandum, sir. So then why are you taking so long, sir? 2 years, sir.
How many years do you need? 5, 6, 8.
Sir, even now we have not. Even now we have not, sir.
Tell us how many years you need, 10 years or 20 years so that we know.
You are well aware about the position of
Registrar, deputy registrar, and all those legal appointments. Yes, sir.
appointment earlier that was a university engineer. In between, I already
That's your that is your
Give our memorandum, sir. Now it's high time for you to step down.
After joining,
Sir, it is high time for you to step down.
after joining,
It is high time for you to step down. If you cannot take action against this illegal appointments, persons who are not competent, it's high time for you to step down,
I am
sir.
ready.
You are ready, sir.
You are ready,
yes, sir.
Please
Step down. Step down.
No need inquiry. We have no more confidence in your leadership, so please, we are requesting you step down from your post, sir.
Yes.
You and even the registrar, please step down. That's it. As of now, that's only our demand. As for now, 2,000 students.
No, this is not possible. This is not possible. It's only depend on the government.
In your leadership, nothing is possible. I'll tell you, sir. In your leadership, nothing is possible. There's no accountability. There's no transparency in your leadership.
Step down.
I cannot.
You think about it.
I cannot counter. You can say.
Yes, I'm smiling and
You
looking.
don't know anything, sir. Informing you all that the Vice Chancellor is still very adamant. He does not want to talk about our memorandum. He is not in favor to take decisive actions against the memorandum that we have submitted. We had a talk with him just now. We have said to him about this memorandum that we submitted in the month of September. He told us that he is taking time to compile all this memorandum and give us a favorable response. However, when we raised the same memorandum that was submitted back then in 2022 by the previous student body, he said that it is his failure that he was not able to comply with this. Now, if he is not able to fulfill the memorandums of 2022, will he be able to fulfill this memorandum that we have submitted freshly in 2024? If he is incompetent, we find that this person should step down. The memorandums that was being submitted back then 2 years before, then we will feel that from our side, he won't be able to fulfill these demands that we have requested in this particular academic year. And mind you, this Vice Chancellor, he'll be staying here only till 2026. Do you want to suffer for the next 2 years? No! Do you want to suffer for the next 2 years? No! Then it's better for us. We have demanded the Vice Chancellor to step down and to resign from this post and let the government put someone who is more competent than the person who is sitting right now.
jong kakasi student union ngin yalam ba nadu menta nagani gajaka ngin syong kelan mongor bat nginum aipor hadu lanu bengin syong amdai tang bersyong henrei nginum bang watak usi sembo ukaru Pau, Batipan, Kajingkasian, Jong Baro, Kipai, Jong Kakasi, Baro, Batumju, Jong Baro, Ki Samla Pule hakani kapo, Hapo, Jong Kani Kanihu, Kamar Kani, Kamdei Tangka isu, Kabak, Tak Mat Yong, Tangingi Samla Pule, Jong Kakasi, Henry Jong Baro, Kijaj, Kido, Kibedan hakani ka Skulbah Nehu, Tengah pan Kajingkasian, Jong Pibaro, Ladadan, Bakwa, Banlan lah dia. Banwan Shah Thngan lang hangni kapor bamta ken slobha banwan chakhat ngit sa akani nehu ai bangin yak hangni kamlei tamba
meghalayapost.news